In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to Slack with Giphy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the perfect animated reaction and drop it into any conversation without overthinking it. Let's start inside any Slack channel or direct message. Look toward the bottom of your screen where you usually type your messages. This is your message box. On the right or left side of that box, depending on your Slack layout, you'll see a small smiley face icon. This is where Slack keeps all your emoji and GIF options. Go ahead and click on that smiley face. When the menu opens, you'll see different tabs or options, including one specifically for GIFs. Select the GIFs option, and that will open up the Giphy search window right inside Slack. Now you're ready to search for the perfect GIF. In the search bar that appears, type in a keyword that matches the mood or reaction you're going for. For example, you might type celebration, thanks, or mind blown. Try to keep your search terms simple. Giphy usually works best with short, clear phrases. As you type, Slack will pull in a collection of GIFs that match your search. Take a moment to scroll through the options. You can preview them just by looking at the moving thumbnails, so you don't have to click each one. Once you see a GIF that feels right for the conversation, click on it. As soon as you do, Slack will drop that GIF into your message box, ready to send. It won't post immediately, so you still have a chance to make changes before it goes into the channel. At this point, you can send the GIF as it is, or you can add a bit of text above it to give more context. Maybe you want to say something like, "Nice work," or "This is exactly how I feel right now." Adding a short message can help make sure your teammates understand the tone you're going for, especially in more formal channels. When everything looks good, just press enter or click the send button to post your message. Your GIF, along with any text you added, will appear in the channel or direct message for everyone to see. That's all there is to it. Click the smiley face, choose GIFs, search and select the one you like, add optional text, and send.